Effective product managers possess a diverse set of qualities and skills that enable them to excel in their roles. These qualities contribute to their ability to lead cross-functional teams, make informed decisions, and deliver successful products. Here are some key qualities of a great product manager. Customer-centric, product managers should have a deep understanding of customer needs and pain points. They must be able to empathize with users and prioritize features that provide the most value to them. Strategic thinker, they need to think strategically, aligning product development with the company's overall goals and vision. This involves creating a clear product roadmap and making decisions that drive the product's long-term success. Excellent communication, strong communication skills are essential for product managers. They need to articulate their product vision, gather feedback, and facilitate collaboration among cross-functional teams. Leadership, product managers often lead without direct authority. They inspire and motivate teams to work towards a common goal, even when team members come from different departments. Problem solver, they should be adept at identifying and solving problems, whether they are related to technical challenges, market dynamics, or customer concerns. Adaptability, the ability to adapt to changing circumstances is crucial in the fast-paced world of software development. Product managers need to pivot when necessary and embrace change. Data-driven, they should make decisions based on data and insights, leveraging metrics and analytics to measure product success and drive improvements. Tech-savvy, while not necessarily developers themselves, product managers should have a solid understanding of technology and software development processes to effectively communicate with technical teams. Empathetic, product managers need to understand and appreciate the perspectives and needs of various stakeholders, including developers, designers, marketers, and customers. Time management, prioritization and time management skills are crucial, as product managers are often juggling multiple tasks and responsibilities simultaneously. Detail-oriented, while focusing on the big picture, product managers must also pay attention to the details of feature specifications, user stories, and project timelines. Risk management, they should be able to identify and assess risks associated with product development and make informed decisions to mitigate them. Financial acumen, understanding the financial aspects of product management, such as budgeting and cost-benefit analysis, is important for making resource allocation decisions. User experience, UX, awareness, a basic understanding of UX principles helps in creating products that are user-friendly and intuitive. Market knowledge, staying informed about industry trends, competitors, and market dynamics is essential for making informed product decisions. Resilience, product managers often face challenges, setbacks, and even failures. Being resilient and able to bounce back from disappointments is important. Innovation, they should encourage innovation and creativity within their teams, fostering an environment where new ideas are welcomed and explored. Ethical and responsible product management involves considering ethical implications and the social impact of products, especially when handling user data or developing potentially addictive features. Cross-functional collaboration, effective collaboration with various departments, including development, design, marketing, and sales, is crucial for product success. Passion for learning, the tech industry is constantly evolving, and product managers should have a passion for learning and staying up to date with new technologies and methodologies. Remember that while these qualities are important, not all product managers possess all of them to the same degree. Successful product management often involves a combination of these qualities tailored to the specific needs and challenges of the product and organization. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.